Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to Yogyakarta, Indonesia. There are so many exciting things await that you cannot be missing out. As the biggest archipelago country, Indonesia is gifted with numerous diversity, both in nature and culture. Yogyakarta is well known for its cultural tourism and as the city of students, since it has a good quality of education. Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta has numerous departments for you who are thrilled to get a lot of exciting experiences in studying. In 2021, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta has been awarded as the best university in Yogyakarta, top 10 best universities nationwide, and for 2022, it's in Asia's top 500 QS World University rankings. There are many facilities that you can enjoy while becoming a student in Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. These facilities provided as UMY's commitment for creating students who are decent in academics, non-academics, as well as shaping the future professionally. Are you thrilled to become the part of UMY? This opportunity is open for international students from all nationalities, especially you. So, now it's your time. To be part of UMY, let's take a look at this tutorial about how to enroll as an international student. Open your web browser and go to internationaladmissions.umy.ac.id. Choose the full-time study and you can click on whether you register with a scholarship or self-funded. The steps for both scholarship and self-funded are the same. Then, the program study available will be shown on your screen. Choose the department you want to register for. After that, the website will directly show you the registration page. In this stage, you are required to fill your full name, active email address, and phone number that is connected to your WhatsApp account. After the registration succeeds, verify your account through your email. Don't forget to check your spam box just in case the mail went there. On that email, you will also get the username and password to log into your account. Log in again to internationaladmissions.umy.ac.id. Complete your personal data and upload the required documents. At this page, please do complete your personal data. Click Change Photo and upload your formal photo as shown on the screen. Enter your full name, gender, birth date, birthplace, nationality, home address, current address if it is different from the address in your ID card. And don't forget to click on Save Changes. The next step is to complete your passport data by inputting your passport number, date of issue, issued country, and home country. Also, you are obligated to upload your scanned passport. After that, please complete your previous study. Start from study type, institution name, graduated year, GPA, scan degree certificate or academic transcript, and click Save. English proficiency is a must, so make sure you also put your English proficiency type, score, date of the test, and scan certificate. What is your motivation for studying in Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta? Let us know by uploading your motivation letter. If you are applying for postgraduate program, you have to upload your research proposal as well as your promoter's name and email address. A link will be sent to your promoters to give you a recommendation. The last is, you should complete your Indonesia Residence Permit or KITAS by clicking on the Yes or No button. If you are already in Indonesia, please fill in the date, upload your KITAS, and state your reason to stay in Indonesia. And once it's all done, click on the Submit button. Don't forget to click the checkbox on the agreement column and click Submit. The first phase announcement will be sent to your registered email. You can also check the other succeeded candidates list at admisi.umy.ac.id. The next step is you need to log into internationaladmissions.umy.ac.id to see your interview schedule. Then, please do well prepare for your interview. If you pass the interview, you have to validate your document to the Indonesian Embassy in your country. After you get your validation document, confirm it to UMY to get your letter of acceptance by uploading the validated documents on your registered admission account. You will get your student ID number of Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta